Thanks, Jules. Let's check back with Derek now in the Arlington Toyota First Alert Traffic Center.
Hey, Don, a couple of breakdowns slowing you down on the roadways right now. 95 northbound ramp to Bowden Road, a breakdown on the ramp there causing a little onlooker delay as you try to exit there onto Bowden Road. On the Matthews Expressway eastbound, a disabled vehicle on the top of the bridge in the right lane going to cause some delays. Of course, most traffic is going westbound, but it's still going to cause some slowdowns as they try to clear that off the bridge. Down on the south side of town in Mandarin, San Jose Boulevard at Beauclair Road, a 3-car pileup just occurred. Police are on their way to the scene, so watch out for a slowdown in that area. Of course, your normal buildup on 295 southbound going into that south interchange. It's about 12 minutes now from US 17 into 95, and you're seeing the buildup on roadways like Southside Boulevard and 9A as well. Live look at the DOT cam as we go outside to I-10 and McDuff. That is eastbound traffic, and it's definitely below speed limit from that point all the way into downtown. Buckle up and be safe. I'm Derek Odom with your First Alert Traffic.
Thanks.